What is up, guys? I'm back with another video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I have a wonderful video for you guys today. Guys, I'm sorry, I know I say guys too many times. Guys, I do apologize. I'll try to say it a little bit less, but yeah, sorry guys. I'll see, did it again. But anyways, today I'm going to show you pretty much how to install another mod for Stardew Valley. Essentially, it's going to be the anime mod, guys. You guys know anime, Naruto, Boruto, Bleach, One Piece, all those anime, guys. Essentially, it's not that anime mod, just changes the Stardew Valley to add some new characters and some new design to the anime, to the already characters established in the game. So guys, essentially we're just gonna install Snappy how we usually do it. Just double click on the Snappy, copy the link for the location of the Stardew Valley and paste it in and click number 1. So yeah guys, after you install Snappy, it's pretty much just extract both of these files. We will add another file later. I'll show you guys where to put the other one. Just left click it and just click extract here, guys. So once you have extracted the file, you get one file called portraits and the mod folder. Guys, pretty much what you have to do is copy this portrait folder in the content. So yeah guys, this one's not going to go in the mod. Essentially it's going to be like, you know, when you're playing Stardew Valley and you have the square photo, essentially it's just going to change that character, that photo in that character to make it work. So yeah guys, when it says there's already files name, just say replace the file. So essentially it's going to replace all the files to the new one. So you guys go back and just copy and paste the mod, the actual mod folder that adds the new characters to the Stardew Valley. Just double click the mods, paste it in the mods, and that's all. Now just go back. So now guys, we have to pretty much install another thing that's called Content Patcher. Guys, this is actually the most famous mod for Stardew Valley. Pretty much this is what enables to change all the different things in Stardew Valley, like the portraits, the scenery, all the other stuff, guys. So pretty much just copy the Content Patcher mod and paste it in the mods folder, guys. Just paste it in there. If you guys don't see a paste option, it's okay, just do Control V. And yeah, and guys, that's pretty much it. You have pretty much installed the mod. Just now double click Stardew Valley and I'll show you that's actually working. So it's just gonna load this up, guys. It's gonna tell you if you did something wrong. You'll see like this red letters that this is missing, that is missing, guys. But in this case, as you can see, it was installed successfully. Essentially it's telling you guys to update. There's a newer version available, but guys, I do not recommend updating the Snappy at the moment, as because we have a lot of glitches happening in the thing. When I say we, I mean the mod creators of Snappy, guys. They're having a lot of issues, a lot of bugs, a lot of crashes. So I do think you should stay on the version you are staying on right now, because the one that's released is not working on anything, guys. So I'm just gonna quickly create a world for you guys, just to show you that everything is working. Just gonna show you the characters list just pretty quickly. But anyways, I just want to thank you guys. We're nearly hitting that 800 subscribers mark, guys. Guys, my goal was to hit that 800 before the new year's comes, and guys, we're gonna hit it. We're at 797 subscribers, guys. Come on, guys, we can hit it. I do apologize, say guys too much, guys. See, I did it again. Guys, I know how I'm going to eliminate this word, guys. I'm essentially just going to start making scripts, so I know exactly what to say. So it won't be like me just improvising on the spot. It will be more exact content, guys. 800 subscribers and we hit it. There will be a new channel banner, new profile picture, guys. I'm gonna start updating the channel, new channel trailer, guys. Maybe I'll do a new intro. Tell me, guys, what you guys want to see on 800 subscribers. Might do a giveaway for you guys, since you guys been so loyal. So yeah guys, essentially it has been loaded. Now I'm just going to quickly show you the new character portraits in the character section. So I'm just quickly going to show you that. So yeah guys, I'm just going to click on the heart, and as you can see, they have been added. All the different characters, the wizard, the Sherlock, all of these guys. So yeah guys, that's it for the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.